This is the dilemma. The critical voice communication becomes ever more demanding, but the spectrum is limited. TDMA technology splits a physical 12.5 kHz channel into 2 time slots, which means you get higher capacity of users per channel with less infrastructure. Pseudo-trunk, a Hytera patented technology, allows the radio to scan the time slots on a repeater and dynamically choose an open time slot to initiate the call. Less wait time is needed than those users who are fixed to a specific time slot. In a typical system where multiple repeaters are used in a single site location, it is not unusual for repeaters to be busy while other repeaters are currently idling with no voice or data traffic. This is where Hytera XPT Digital Trunking comes into action. So how does it work? The XPT system broadcasts the availability of channels throughout every repeater, ensuring the user will have a guaranteed channel to initiate a call. Within the XPT system, groups of users will be allocated to a home repeater. When the home repeater is idle, all calls will be made through this repeater. Now, when the home repeater is busy, the XPT system will automatically and dynamically assign a free repeater, which temporarily provides available channels to initiate the call. Once the home repeater has available resource, the groups of radios will switch back to it. This process is repeated on system to ensure instant communications with no interruptions and constant busy signals. No designated control channel is needed in the process. When a radio initiates a group call or all call with groups under a different repeater, the receiving radios dynamically move to the repeater where the call is initiated, freeing up the other repeater for additional channels of communication. A single-site XPT system supports up to 8 carriers or 16 calls simultaneously. This system was designed to scale to meet the needs of your growing user base. How to set up a XPT system? First, upgrade firmware of RD98XS repeaters and DMR subscribers. Second, connect repeaters via IP switch. Third, update license for repeaters and configure all devices. By following these simple steps, the Hytera XPT Digital Trunking system can be up and running in no time. Hytera XPT Digital Trunking supports 2-level fail-safe control. If one or more repeaters fail on the system will continue to operate in trunking mode. If the IP switch fails, the repeaters will automatically revert to digital conventional mode. Hytera XPT Digital Trunking supports versatile features like voice call, supplement call, advanced features, data operation, dispatching. Subscriber models including PD6, PD7, X1, MD6, MD7 are supported to work on the Hytera XPT Digital Trunking system. Today, Hytera XPT Digital Trunking can meet the requirements of increased user capacity using simple repeater infrastructure which is rapidly deployable, further reducing the total cost of ownership. One more thing, it's running without control channel. Hytera XPT Digital Trunking. Thinking outside of the box. Bringing the solution all in one box.